Good morning. What's up, guys? Just give me a second and let's get the Zoom members in. What's up, guys? You good? Are we good? Let's get that sorted there. All good. Hey Zeus, good morning. Wait, actually let me get this browser source up before I forget that. Fresh week, boys. Are we fresh? Are we ready? Well rested. I trust everybody has had a good weekend. I love that energy, bro. What's up? I'm good, my brother. And yourself?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Except for this week.
I'm glad. Let me just get this browser source up for you guys. There we go. Cool, boys. Fresh week. Let's get it. YouTube chat. What's happening? Chad, Charles, Vince, Gino, Mark, AJ. What's happening, boys? Charles, good morning, bro. We're not so. I got you on that one. I got you. Guys, we can clearly see that Forex.com is back online. We don't have to use Oanda today. We can actually use Forex.com. So let's get straight to it, boys. First things first, I just want to see, as it is a fresh week, what do we have on the news forefront for the week that, you know, stands out a lot to me. We are coming towards the end of the month. I think this is the last week of the month, and then next week, fresh month. NFP that Friday as well. So for this week, there's nothing really that crazy unless we do trade some pound this week. We got some pound on Wednesday, flash services PMI that will obviously affect the market. Thursday clear, Friday clear for us. Yeah, so nothing really crazy that we need to be aware of this week. However, next week is that week, boys. We're back on that BS. Friday NFP, we will be trading that live with all the members. As well as the following week, we got CPI coming out. So this is going to be a nice little end to the week on the fundamental side. Pretty much clear. Nothing really that we have to be cautious of. Before I even get to this analysis, boys, do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing another giveaway today, actually. It's called a $5,000 Vault Finder Challenge. Let's do that giveaway today as well. Let's start the week off nice. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the stream where you can, and let's get straight into it. All right. Gold. What do you have for us today? Okay. Looking at weekly closures. Once again, we are still struggling at the level of 24.25, right? price is seeping above the level but not actually closing above that point, which is showing me that we do have a lot of rejection at the level and we don't have enough, excuse me, buyers in the market as of yet to drive that price further. So what I do want to note is that if we do go ahead and flip this week's high, which you're already starting to pull away from, if we go ahead and break those highs, I'm going to anticipate that we can go ahead and fill that wick. The only issue that I'm going to have is that we are starting to break lows over there. Okay, why it's not such a big problem for me as of yet is because that level of QP 2400 is right there. So this could just be a lower time frame retest for price to drive to the upside. So that is one thing I am going to note there. However, obviously we want to see price making that consecutive higher highs and higher lows, as you can see over here, right? Price driving to the upside. Okay, so obviously we wanted this candle to possibly print the same thing. However, I don't want to say null and void it, but I want to say I'll give it the, what's the word I'm looking for? I'll give it the whole pass, the green pass, whatever the heck you want to call it, to say that, you know what, it doesn't matter if it's now broken that level that much because that QP is there. So if we do flip that weekly high, I will anticipate price to come and fill those weekly highs that we tapped into last week at 24.75. So I will keep that in note. However, because this is a weekly resistance high since what, April, and price has rejected here multiple times, if we do start trading below the QP level 2400, I'm going to anticipate that we're just going to trade range to range, which means that range high to range low, anticipating price to eventually come down, if that is the case. So these are the things I'm going to note on that weekly, is how she is printing as we go forward. Okay, looking on that daily, now I do see it doesn't have the best of openings and closures, but I personally feel like it's not necessarily our market close, but it's because Forex.com obviously had to catch up on information that it missed out on Friday. So let's just go and look at Owanda and see how she closed on that daily. Okay, because I'm going to more take this into consideration, because remember on Friday we had to use Owanda's chart. So this is going to be like a once-off thing, guys. We had to use Owanda's chart to see how she closed. Reason being, what? We couldn't use Forex.com on Friday, right? For those that don't know, Microsoft had issues on Friday. Can't remember what the heck happened there. Lance, what is it? Lance Mentor, what is that? I don't know, some outage happened, or yeah, some outage happened, and that's why the connection to Forex.com. Good morning, my brother. Yeah, that's why we obviously never traded Forex.com, because the servers was down, right? So we came to Owanda. So obviously, as the servers came back online, they had to catch up on data. So that's why you'll get that weird close that we're now seeing on Forex.com over here. So I'm not going to worry about the daily too much. I'm not going to worry about daily flip, none of that, just because I'm going to null and void how Forex.com's closures look. I'll more so take into consideration how Owanda has closed for me. So what I'm going to do is understanding that the level of 23.921.342 could be a possible area that I want to short below. But for me, the more important part right now is just the QP level and then what I see on the lower time frames. Okay. See, even GJ, no topic, no bottom wick, but this is purely just what's happening on, let's say, market needing to catch up to data. Not that the price is behind, because you'll see the same price, 24.03, come to Owanda, 24.03. So the price increments are the same, everything is the same. The only difference is the way those candlesticks is now being presented has a slight bit of difference. Okay, so let me go on this daily and just start to give you guys a little image of what I'm seeing. Okay, if I look at the left hand side, boys, what is price actually doing? Price is coming back to that liquidity level which that weekly is stemming off of. However, like I mentioned on the weekly, this is that support level we're broken out of first of all. Okay, so this could be that retest for price to continue driving up. Only if price starts to close on that lower time frame beneath the level 24, yeah, 2400, will anticipate shorts. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna look if price can reject this level and try and long it back up. However, then again, I can use that weekly as a confluence to say, you know what, we're rejecting that weekly highs, the weekly is breaking the previous weekly low, we can look to come further down. So the catalyst candle for me is going to be on that 15 and 30. However, I'm building an idea what you can see within this chart right now. I'm building an idea what I can see for the day and possibly for the week and see direction. Obviously, it's not enough data to see what can happen for the week, but obviously for the day, it's quite simple. We are tapping to that liquidity level right now. All I want to see is understanding that on the left hand side, I've got a range. It's either going to reject the level and pop back up, or it's going to break that area and drop. Simple. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to look to the left hand side because I don't have that data yet, and I'm going to highlight the high and the low and look to trade off of that. So on that 4 hour, I'm marking in my 4 hour liquidity zones, and then I'll just start tweaking them on my lower time frame. But this is that areas right now on that 4 hour that I am going to be aware of. So another question, why am I not highlighting this whole area right there? Reason being, boys, if I'm not mistaken, that's going to be a decent amount of pips we can actually trade into. That's about 78 pips. So I'll rather highlight the liquidity zone where it's tested multiple times. I'll confirm this on my lower time frame and then use that wick as a wick fill as price then drives forward. And I'll probably do the same thing here as well. Okay, I just want to drop to the low time frame just to see what's going on there, and that's what I'm talking about right there. So what I'm gonna do in this case is, this is what, 30 pips. So I'm going to just highlight that. I'm gonna drag this to there. And that's going to be my 4 hour zones right now, from 4 hour high to 4 hour low, as I've mentioned on that 4 hour. You guys see that? Relatively simple, right? Straightforward. However, as price is descending, we are creating multiple lower lows and lower highs, showing me that the area where this 30 minute is going to flip is right there, 2408. That's where that 30 minute pretty much flips. If I look to the left hand side, that is a zone of liquidity as well. So let's start plotting in that 30 minute areas and see how we can look for early entries today. So I'm going to mark in that area right there. Reason being because that is where that 30 minute is going to flip. Okay. So 4 hour, is she flipped? No, she's not. She's still bullish. 30 minute, is she flipped? She should be bearish. Yes, low there, another low there, another low there. So she needs to break that high to flip bullish for me. So at the moment it's 3v1 bearish. Gold needs to flip the level of 2409.31 in order for that price to then become bullish again. So until we breach that area, I'm pretty much only going to look for sells, to be honest with you. And I'll explain to you why now. Okay? So the thing is, boys, as we start approaching this liquidity area on the daily, as we approach it on the weekly, obviously this is a level that price can reject off of. Okay? So in order for me to continue the sales, I wouldn't want to do it at that level of support, because number one is going to be in the final third. Number two is going to be right at that liquidity level where pending orders and liquidity lies, which means price can actually reject off that area. Okay. So what I'm rather going to do is understand that I can use this area, yes, as a buy, but not yet. Okay. So let's plot out a sell scenario right now. Okay. The sell scenario right now will be understanding that that weekly is rejecting 24.25, starting to penetrate through the previous low over there. However, she isn't breaking 2400 yet, but once she does, I can anticipate price continue. I can't use the daily as a catalyst candle, but however, on Oanda, as you can see how it printed, is pretty much strong. Maribosa in that liquidity area. Now we know this is a rejection candle, so I need to be aware of it and I need to be cautious of it. Okay, just to give you guys a clarification, this is how that daily is looking. You see that? Strong Maribosa illiquidity. That's a sign of reversal. Okay, and that's how you can see our price is struggling at the moment. Okay, now it's not to say it's going to reverse entirely, but there is going to be a point where it's going to stutter and possibly retest a level that it broke out of. And that's kind of what we're seeing right now on the 30, right? Then dropping right down to that 30, boys. Wrong chart. Dropping down right down to the 30, we obviously see price continuing making lower lows and lower highs, right? Simple. On that 4 hour, you continue making lower lows, lower highs. Simple. However, on the 4 hour, I have liquidity, so I can't sell right there. In order for me to short, I need to re-break that 4 hour lows and get a 30 or 50-minute closure beneath this level for something like that to come and fill that wick right there. So this will be that primary target when I am looking for I didn't save it now. Okay, well, this will be that POI for me today. So the styles are going to be simple, boys. Closure below, retest, and drive. If price does tap into here and starts to reject that area, I will look for type 3s going back down as well. And that will be the sells for me, okay? Aggressive shorts there, safer shorts there. On the contrary, if we start rejecting this area, let's build up some confluences for the buys. If we start rejecting that area, we got the level of that weekly and the daily 2400. You've got your 4 hour range low, 4 hour range high. You'll be buying in anticipation that what price is doing is simply rejecting that liquidity zone, popping back up, and I look too long into that resistance point. And essentially what we're doing is then just range trading it once again. I feel like it's quite straightforward actually. Now for me to get in on these buys, I can't just buy because it tested into a level of liquidity or it tested into a level of support. Yes, we can say, oh, it's such a nice move, but that isn't confirmation. I don't care about the long moves. I want confirmed moves. So when I press that buy or sell button, I have a 100% mindset that I'm going to win. Obviously there's going to be that probability of me losing. It's normal, but my mind should tell me I'm going to win, right? You can't just buy because it tested the liquidity zone. You need your confluences. So for me, the confluence will be the re-breaking of that high, because that is a 2 candlestick pullback right there. So I need price to start trading above the level before I can long it into that beautiful LTA on the left hand side, and then anticipate that we're trading from the range low to the range high. And that's how I'm going to get in on the buys. So that's how I've built a picture now of understanding how I could look for my shorts and my longs at this point, because even though we have our buys which is overall bullish, where price is now and how price printed data today as well as Friday is going to put me at a point where I'm on the fence. I have confluences for both sides. I don't have a solid bias and be like, yo, I'm only buying or I'm only selling. None of that. It's simply going to be once I get my confirmations on either or side with the reasoning and the confluence that I've built now in front of you guys, that's how I'll take the position. So drop a 1 in the chat if you understand. If you don't understand, let me know. As we go forward, we just pretty much need to wait for data to be printed, and then once the setup comes to us, we'll then take the position. That is my breakdown on gold. I feel like that was pretty straightforward, guys. It's nothing too complicated. And then obviously my aggressive shorts will be here. Actually my safe sells. Now this is my no trade range for now, okay? I'm going to leave that as a no trade range, obviously, because we're not going to be actively trading there. However, do take into consideration that if price does reject 2409, I'm going to hit a type 3. Now a type 3, for those that don't know, obviously you'll understand it if you're an MFX member, but just a quick little summary, a type 3 is my reversal sort of entry criteria, okay? I'll put you with type 3. Okay, so T3 up there, this is a no trade range, understand that, and aggressive bias is going to stem off the idea that it will be a type 4, okay? Can't do type 1, it's going to be a type 4. Okay, now why is it a type 4? Because I get the confirmation. It's not a type 3. Okay, type 4 straight. Let's just make this neater. And then you've got your no trade range in there. But you guys understand it, right? So it's technically not the no trade range, it's just nothing I want right now. So I'm gonna pop that there, and this is gonna be gold for me, boys. I feel like it's relatively straightforward. We all should understand. We've got London open in about 8 minutes. Let's see what's happening. GJ. You see, the thing with GJ is, boys, even though we're starting to get that moves, I'll rather let GJ do that. Because if I take any GJ move, it's going to be in all that choppiness. I'm good. I don't want that. I'll rather let GJ start reprinting structure for me, and then I will start getting involved again. You with me? Look, at the end of the day, boys, you gotta know your strategy so well that you only take trades at the best time. So that does mean allowing the market to reprint data and then start trading from that. How's that ZAR looking? Still in that liquidity lows. Okay, so that's me, boys. That's analysis. Now we're gonna sit tight, wait, and yeah, wait for our setup. However, today I'm gonna do a giveaway as well. We're gonna do a $5,000 Vault Finder Challenge giveaway. So do go ahead on the most previous stream, which is gonna be Friday's stream on YouTube. Go comment anything on there, because that's how I'm gonna obviously do the voting selection. So comment anything on there. You can even put a 1 just so your name can be there. So entry criteria, once again, you gotta follow the MFX page on IG. So follow the MFX business page on IG, and then like this stream and subscribe to this channel. Let's run those likes up, and let's catch another dub, boys. Let me just clear out this quickly. So once again, doing a $5,000 Vault Finder giveaway. To enter, go to the previous stream, which is Friday. Go comment anything on there, and then like this stream, subscribe to the channel. But chat, are we good? GJ is a good way to backtest form your bias for those pause and pullbacks in beginning, of course. 100% Vince, I totally agree, bro. Totally agree. That's the word, Charles. I'll benefit from the down. Straight line. Hey guys, I started earlier these what do you call it? Little jokes. Yeah, so Vince, why didn't mark out the current daily high and current daily low? Because I'm not really going to use it as a catalyst candle to say, you know what, if we re-break that lows, I'm going to get involved. Yeah, and also that data that printed on Friday, I'm not too worried about what's happening in the daily, to be honest with you. We need today's candle to close. That's what we need also. Let's go. Yes, sir. New week. So is that? No, it's not. Hey guys, early morning with the funny jokes, eh? Colin, good morning, my man. Mark Prince, what's happening? Warm water business on a cold morning. The golden line is best. What's up, travel? Hope you're doing good, man. Suleiman, I'm doing good, brother. Hope you're doing good too. In gold, if current 50-minute close strong bearish, I'm planning to take star looks good to return to lows and week full. All the best, my brother. All the best. It's 5 degrees in your pause. You see, I'm straight out of the shower, so I think that's why I'm feeling like Chris. So I'm gonna put on my jacket very soon, bro, because I am actually starting to feel it. Look out, it's not gonna lie, it's cold here, dude. My house is cold as well. But you know, like when you get out the shower and you feel like Chris? I don't know. I'll just explain that. MFX members in the Zoom, are we good? Are we good? London open in 4 minutes, boys. Perfect, guys. I'm actually getting a hoodie. I'll be back. want to be a member on the if. Yeah, perfect. There, just check the chat. Jay just sent out the link if you want to be a MFX member. So for those that don't know, we do offer a membership program, which is firstly a pre-recorded course. So the way I trade, my strategy from A to Z, it is there. That is also including my personal one-on-one mentorship, so I guide you within your journey. You get access to the community, you get access to our live trading, you get access to our Friday accountability calls, literally everything you need from A to Z to trade as consistent as myself and the MFX members do is there. So if you want to level up your trading, we do offer that. I would actually more call it a learn and earn, because you can literally make money while you're learning my way of trading. But obviously, like I tell the guys, the most important thing, even on stream actually, I tell you guys, the most important thing is just to educate yourself, guys. The money is literally child's play. But the education, building your foundation, understanding how to trade, I feel like that's the most important thing. Because once you start equipping yourself with that skill, you have it for the rest of your life. Can you please explain what your type 1, 2, 3, 4 for that you can join the course, the membership group? What I just explained. Everything is there, brother. Everything is there. For those that don't know, let me just show you quickly. And while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that sub button. Let's get ourselves to 1.5k. Let's push, let's push, let's push. So right here, here's the mentorship link right there. If you want to level up your trading, click that link, sign up, and I will see you in the private room. Okay? And then that's the broker I use, the prop firm I recommend. Use code MFX at checkout for 35% discount, and then follow that Instagram business page. Let's get that likes up, boys, too. What we now? 50 viewers. Let's get up to 50 likes. I'm going to be doing a giveaway in the next couple of minutes. All you got to do, like this stream, subscribe to this channel, follow that business page, which is the link in that description on Instagram, and go comment on Friday's video, because that's the way I'm going to do it. So for those that are maybe new here, what I'll do is gonna come here to Friday's video right there. That's Friday's video. Come in your comment. Anything. Okay, well, people already did it. Jeez, okay. Okay, so you come and comment anything. You can literally even put a 1. And then I'll copy the link, put it in YouTube comment picker, and there will be obviously a winner. Okay? Simple as that. $5,000 Vault Finder giveaway. As simple as that. Can we challenge you? Can you challenge me? Challenge me to what? What do you want to challenge me to? I'm always up for a challenge. What do you want to challenge me to? Just don't ask me to go for a run with you. That's not gonna happen. I wonder what we're gonna do at 5k. I can imagine going for sure. I'm joining today. This guy is fully transparent. I've been watching past vids. 100%, brother. Literally everything you need is within my course. And I feel like on YouTube, like, bro, it's everything. Why would you know? Yeah, for sure. What's the code? Code for what? Code for what? What's a challenge travel? You see that? Yeah, that frisk Chris vibe is dying now. I'm actually starting to get cold. discount code for, oh, it's MFX. Code MFX. But like if I remember correctly, Gina, you from America. Americans can't use prop firms that use MT5 because you guys don't get MT5 in America, if I'm not mistaken. So that has nothing to do with my course though, but that is obviously if you want to use the prop firm that I recommend. Anybody around the world can be mentored by me though. You can use MT4 though? For real? Oh shit, nah, then you should be good. Really? Oh shit, okay, now then you're good, bro. Yes, I thought it was for mentorship. Nah, there's no discount on mentorship, unfortunately. But prices is going up soon though, so I would highly recommend you join as soon as possible so that you can avoid the price increase. Because if you're under the mentorship with the low price, you don't have to worry, you're fine, you're sorted. Apart from trading this guy, Miles away. Oh, Vince is just shaking my surname out there. For sure. Bro, who removed that comment? Did you remove that comment? I wanted to see that. I was busy reading that. I want the fivers to the fivers. I think I've heard about them. All the best, my brother. I'm sure you'll do well. What? Jordan? Really? What's it? Spam advertising? God. Couldn't I read it? Could I at least read it? Damn, you guys, my mods is so quick, boys. Guys on YouTube, my mods is so fast. I don't even get time to read this, bro. I don't even get time to read. What did I miss there? What was the advertising Nazis? What's the advertising Nazis? Lance, you gotta, guys, you have to be live for the giveaway. Unfortunately, you gotta be live in the chat. Unfortunately, I have to make it fair for everybody. If it lands on you though, GG's. I'll let you know that you weren't in the chat. So you missed it. How do I see what the comment was? View message. No, I can't. I can't. Damn, I can't see it. My mods are way too quick with it. Damn.
Let me just say what my comment was. Everything a new mark.
No, but it wasn't your one. It wasn't your one.
It was my one. Yes. You're not gonna get something better than that, but it's fine.
No man, damn it. It was a long comment, dude. It was a long paragraph. Someone wrote the paragraph and then disappeared. There, you can say MFX in your machen. Say your maso. Say your maso. Oh wait, no stress, no stress. Cheers, brother. Have a blessed day, man. So this was the comment that was deleted. I'm very curious. Laugh out loud. We give you the pair indice, then you trade it. When you bag it, the person who gave the pair of indice has to transfer you 100 rand. If you don't bag it, you send 100 rand. Yo, only 100 rand. What was I do with 100 rand? Buy me a bread and bologna. Why shit? I'll give you a challenge. Watch my videos for the rest of the year on YouTube for free and see how it changes your life. Yeah, no, these mods are serious, bro. Gold starting to press now, tapping into the level of 2400. Can she break, boys? Let's see. Let's see what the play is today. JW saw the 8 cap. Yeah. Yeah, no, look, every provider's charts can be different. This is the one I use because it has the highest consistent probability. What first like name my surname? 100% Charles. What? Have made a stride on my trading view via your live trades. I got my first payout. Damn, boy. GG's, man. GG's. I'm happy I had some influence there. Great shit, man. Well done. KKHB sells. We'll wait for price to give us that confirmation. But in the meantime, you can like and subscribe. Buy Switch. What is Switch? Switch the cool drink. 100 from McDonald's? Yo, bruh. I don't even think you can buy a solid meal then. Buy 4 black labels. Nah, Vance he's a lion guy. Killed you on the live. It makes sense though. Hoping to join your team soon, bro. What's the cost? $59, brother. Who taught you how to trade? Me. I taught myself how to trade. I'm self-taught. With the guidance of God, I taught myself how to trade. I was drinking on the Zoom. So Vince drinks Switch during the Zoom accountability sessions, and he misses trades because he must warm up pies. Brandon, so is that my cousin in the chat? I don't know. That is true. That is true. I want to see how price starts closing here. He's my actual cousin. For real? That's it, guys. Share the stream with your cousins, your aunties, your uncle, your omas. Let them come sub to the channel. But let's see how price starts acting. And if we do stall, guys, I'll probably do that giveaway like mid-stream. So in the meantime, once again, go comment on Friday's video, anything, and just go put a 1. And then that's just gonna put you in so that when I use the link in YouTube comment picker, it will pick you up. And then like this stream, subscribe to the channel, share with friends and family, and then follow the MFX business page on IG. You gotta do that, because if you don't check those boxes, if you win, unfortunately then I have to re-roll. Someone's walk away today with at least a $5,000 Vault Funder challenge. It's pretty exciting. Sure, dude. Sure. $55 viewers in the chat. Can we run those likes up to at least 50? Sure, we can do that. Maybe Jesus? Maybe. Possible. Wait, I do. I remember that dude. Oh, they all do. They all do that. They all. Those are your biggest fans. What can I do with the vault? You would know. You have one. Thank you for the free live YouTube video. I'm from Philippines and teaching myself to trade. Thank you for free education. I got you, bro. I got you, man. Okay, let you go watch all my previous streams. You'll find a lot of nuggets there. You'll see every single trade that I took this year is in each stream. Everything is there. Oh shit, Charles, did we update that journal, brother? I think we did, eh? 341 pips for the month so far. We gained 359 so far and we lost 18. So that is what? 14 wins, 1 loss for the month. Yo, George, that dog's dosing. Articles, stay lost. It's updated, right? Perfect. Appreciate it, Charles. Appreciate it. GG, boy. Dog stories again. Souls off, right? Yeah, see, crazy. Crazy. Such a small dog. I was at 15 close, right? 15 close, still nothing yet. One thing I'm going to say, if we can start closing beneath these levels around here, let's see how big that stop will be. See, that stop's gonna be way too large, so I'm gonna have to start possibly using its own previous candle high. Because if I use the range highs within that, that's gonna be too large. I'm not gonna have such a big stop loss. So what I'll do in that case, if it does start closing beneath now, let's say for example, I'll use the own open candle as the stop loss. And as we start to, chill at this level, I am looking at possible scenarios where we can look for earlier longs than that point there, just to get in slightly more aggressive, but I'm not seeing anything as of yet, boys. To be honest with you, the thing is, if we look for early longs, let's say off of this area, obviously I'm not going to do that. The problem with that is you've got your resistance right there, which means that price can tap and drop. So the only way I'm going to get in slightly more aggressive than that area there is going to be if we can start trading above the level 24.5. That's going to be that liquidity level right there. You can see it. And I'm going to want price to start trading above it, retest it, and then I'm going to get in a bit early. It's the only way. And I'm going to want, obviously, my stops to be down there. The only thing is going to be too large. So once again, I'm going to have to use a confirmed candlestick. In this case for buy, so bottom wick as my stop loss area. Okay. Good morning, bro. Glad to be here. Glad to have you here, brother. Good morning to you too. Yo, Vince, when you get that first major payout, I think you must buy shares in Shamrock. Eh? It's only one. Wow. I'll see this thing does. It's some water. Want a proper nanachapa, I have the lamb and mint. That's the one. Okay, gold is starting to come to the area that I've been speaking about now. Which is that resistance right here. Where is this thing? Okay. You see, guys, see that level? Let me mark it out for you guys so you can just identify that. Let's make it purple. So what I'm gonna do over here, guys, if we can start trading above that level, I'm gonna go in with slightly more aggressive longs in anticipation that this resistance is no longer holding and we can start trading above that to start driving to the upside. On the contrary, if we start rejecting that area, we're gonna anticipate something like that. Okay. So you see what patience does. Patience provides us with more data. More data we have, more confluences we have for our trade, right? What is your most? 10 to 20 pips, brother. 10 to 20 pips is all I need. One trade a day is all I need. So you'll see the average I get is 10. So forget about the 70s and the 30s and the 20s. Just look at the most. 10 is the one. You go in the journal, you can see 10, 10, 10s, 10, 10, 10. Obviously, you can see there's more. 72, 27, 280. 21, but the average, what's the medium? So all I want is between 10 and 20. That's the medium. You see, 10 to 20. It's all I need, it's all I want. And then you see at the end of it, I'll compounds to a very nice amount of pips. 10 to 20 pips is all I need. One session a day, one trade a day, 2 pairs. That's all I do. Less is more. Miles sorry earlier. Nah, it's not McD's, bro. I wish. It's a nachi. It's a nachi, bro. Flavor vitamin C. I wish it was McDonald's. I don't know this. I don't think this is the question. Hey, Zeus, do you guys get nachos in America? Yeah, do you get that? Hectic, dope. That's pretty cool. Hectic. Liquor day to smash half a loaf, bunny chow. There's actually, where's Uncle Rob's? It's not there. Is Nachi's like a South African thing? Now that, or do you guys, maybe they call it something else? Wild. You guys are missing out. Yeah, yeah. With 55 on YouTube. What's up, Chupapi? Clementines? Is that what it's called, that sign? Mandarins or tangerines? Okay. But it's just called something different. Okay. So, who in South Africa named this thing a Nachi? Who named this thing a Nachi? Probably. Okay, boys, I'm literally just waiting for data, for confirmations. Then I can take a set position. But as of now, I gotta wait. The Oros Mensa. Probably. One thing I will also take into consideration is if we do start closing above that level, and I do take that longs, there's a range on the left hand side, which is quite nice. So I'll target that from range low to range high. Check that out. I'll target that. And that is how big? About 40 per range. So we'll definitely be able to get a move on that. Bruh. 4 minutes to 30 close. Let's see. I think in the meantime we can do that giveaway, you know that. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the giveaway. Should I do the giveaway now? While we wait for price, put a 1 in the chat. I think we should do the giveaway right now. 4 55. Okay, just remember that entry criteria. I'm gonna leave that for the end, Jesus. Leave that for the very end. I'm just gonna wait for this to close. I just want to see how the candle's closing. Because obviously if it close above, I'll get position. No, that's the purple is the 30-minute level. 15-minute level. Just threw in a level there because just to show you guys where the liquidity is right now, and that's where you can see price is actually stuttering in between. Can you see that? So resistance at the moment to possibly break or to use that to drive down, one of the two. So we're literally sitting on our hands right now, so waiting for that perfect position. So pretty much, if this candle closes the way it is, just showing me there's a lot of indecision at this level. There's no conviction amongst buyers nor sellers at this point. Why does Rwanda have a gap there? That could have just been off of uncalculated data at that time. Just note that gaps in markets need to close. I see you, Mr. Mentor, I see you. Okay, that's a 30 close. I think we can do the giveaway because we're gonna have to wait anyway. So let's do the giveaway, boys. 15 close, 30 close, nothing as of yet. I'm gonna at least have to wait another 15 when I can. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. Market works in cycles. Market cycles, pair cycles, and session cycles. Don't forget about that. What's that on, what's Nasdaq? Nasdaq, shorts? Okay. I see you. I see you. Looks good. What's that, 30? Okay. I see you. I see you. Very proud of you. Very proud of you. You get a pie. You get a pepper steak pie. Guys, let's do this giveaway. Look, criteria for giveaway: you need to be subbed to the channel, you need to like the stream, comment on the previous stream, which is Friday, and then just follow the MFX business page. If you've done all of that, you should be ready for this giveaway, man. So let's get it out. What? No, I did. Where were you Friday? Oh wait, I got you. No stress, huh? So here's Friday's Zoom. Not Zoom. Here's Friday's link. Right? See me copy it. Right? Exit. Let me go get YouTube comment picker quickly. Wait, why did I take that thing out? YouTube comment picker, random comment picker. Are you guys ready? Drop a W in the chat if you're ready for this giveaway. I'm gonna do it right now. Hope you guys are ready for this. Gold is starting to press, but I need closures, boys. I can't just take it on breaks or whatever. Need that closures. Need the closure. Need the closure. $5,000 vault funding giveaway. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Right. Here you see me pasting that same link there. Boom. And we'll do a 20-second duration. Build up some anticipation. And you see those dubs. Are we ready? Are we ready? Right. Let's solve the sum. That's 13. Get YouTube comments. We got 33 entrants. Are you guys ready for this? I think I'm ready for it. I'm ready. You can make it longer. Should we? Like a 30 seconds just so you guys can be on your toes? Or like a whole minute, just let it run for a whole minute. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Here we go, boys. 3, 2, 1 for $5,000 vault funding giveaway. Let's see. Entrance is there. Let's see who is the winner of today's $5,000 vault funding challenge. Let's see who's this. Who's the winner? 30 seconds. Let's go. Elaine Murray. Elaine Murray? Elaine Murray. Before I congratulate you, let me go and see if you follow the IG page. Because I know you are subscribed. She does. She does. Guys, W's in the chat for Elaine for winning the $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. No, she didn't join the mentorship, but I did see a comment last week, so I do remember you. Now's the spicy part. Elaine, just comment if you're in the chat first of all. Elaine Murray, awesome, cool. I'm gonna give you this little spicy challenge to double your 5k into 10k. Would you like to do a coin flip? Or you can walk away with your 5k, or we can do double or nothing. Would you like to do? Would you like to do a coin flip to flip that $5,000 into $10,000? It's either yes or no. It's either you want to do it or not. So double or nothing. You can let us know. Elaine Murray, she would like to do so. We got a risky biscuit here. Got a risky biscuit here. Heads or tails coin flip. Okay, and it's gonna be as simple as this, guys. I'm gonna just flip the coin myself for like 3 times once, just so we can, you know, get the thing going. Right, just to get the system going here. And then we're gonna refresh it. Nope. Wait, you don't want to do it? You don't want to do it? Because you said yes, then no. So would you like to do it? Yes or no? Tell me. Did you? Let's just comment properly, like Miles, I would not like to do it, or Miles, I would like to do it. Let me know. Let me know. Ooh, she's leaving us waiting, guys. She's leaving us. I said no. Okay, perfect. 100%. She wouldn't like to do it. No stress. Elaine, send me a personal message on Instagram. Wait, nah, you already said no. I'm not gonna go back and forth. Send me a personal message on Instagram with your email address, okay? Then go on Vault Funder and create a profile. Once you've done creating the profile, let me know. Then the $5,000 will be issued to you. Doubles in the chat for Elaine for winning the $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway today. GG's, well done. And that concludes our giveaway for today. You never know, we might have another one this week. Let's see. Let's see how we feel. Who said David? Yeah, very, Vince. Very. No stress. Yo, you're dead. You're dead. Gold is sweet chili. I think you need to go pre-workout early this morning. Definitely. What's that other one? Dry scooping. Look, we might even sit in this area for a bit just because this is strong QP liquidity. But, gotta wait, boys. Let's call. Wanna do a call now? We can, bro. We are waiting anyway. Guys, I think while we wait, let's do that cardle. We are waiting on the charts anyway. What was last week's call? Some wonder thing. 15 closure coming in 3 minutes. Let me wait for that. Elaine, just don't forget to send me that DM. But go create that Vault Funder profile first. See, like this level liquidity is holding quite strong, eh? What is the name of the song playing in the background just now? Artist and song? I honestly don't know, brother. It's a playlist that we just compiled. So it's like 2 hours of non-stop music. But you can use Shazam and then just hear who it is. But it's not. It's non-copyright music. Do I make the music? No. DJ Miles? No. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, let's use Shazam. It should work. But do you like this music? Okay, that's at 15 close. Nothing yet, boys. So let's do that cardinal just to pass time while we wait. And then we'll come back to that. What car is this? Shit, it's one of these old cars again. Charles, I think you can just start trading on that thing, brother. Just my gooi for now. E-type? I was thinking E-type. But I don't think so. E-type doesn't have a rear quarter glass. E-type doesn't have a rear. Bro, there's actually an E-type right there. There's no rear quarter glass in the E-type. I know it. So if you know it, say it. Let us know, bro. There's a group effort. We're doing this together. Because I don't know what car this is right now. James Bond. What is that Knight Rider bra's name? Kit. Talking about Kit. But the bra was David Hasselhoff. Hudson Hornet? I don't think so, but we can try it. Hudson Hornet is it's more like a bug shape. Aston Martin DB4, you're right. This is 100% Aston Martin, I can see it now. You are right. Who's this? Ridwan. You're right, bro. You're right, bro. It must be. You're so right, dude. Well done. Well done, Ridwan. Doubles in the chat for Ridwan. Datsun Stanza. Gold with a bit of a low volume this morning. Anybody take any positions today though? In MFX as well. You guys take any trades this morning? Yes, sir. Old school spin bin. That's what it is in my eyes. Spin that thing. Break even? What is it on gold? The gold positions? What? Where's your entry? Short, long, what you do? Think about old Jaguar. Yo, my brother, how delayed is your stream? If you're only at that part, if you're only there now, how delayed is your stream? The stream should have little to no latency though. I tested, it's about 10, just not even 0.10 second maybe. I have the stream on ultra low latency, so there's almost no lag. That's one thing I made sure of when doing this live streaming thing, that there would be as little to no lag as possible. Hourly and 30 close coming up in the next 9 minutes. 8 minutes. I think if I don't get a trade by like 10:30 to 11, I'm gonna call it a session, boys.
Record some ambience and put it in this track.
So we pretty much just sitting in this consolidation range now, boys, just waiting for price to get outside. Yo, Charles, just check the MFX group there quickly. They're looking for you in the MFX group. Charles, come in. No problem.
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers, we crown shakers. Moved outside the margin, we're writing, that's how we found paper. Hustle nature, since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been an earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon, don't think that I'm
Yo, micro.
Settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses, I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace, what would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics, got me looking for a new glue. Looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet immutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises. Man, it's messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
Yeah. 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 Hey. Yeah.
Okay, coming up to that hourly close now. Seems like we're just sitting in this area, boys.
Yeah. Tell him, bro. Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud. I'm a diamond in the rough, so when
Your price is literally just sitting in between these price points.
I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud. I'm a diamond in the rough, so when you see me shining now, I know it's anything but look. It's anything but diamond in the rough. Yeah, we had it tough. Yeah,
I think. Okay, let me see how this price closes first.
All this pain and the tears made my shoulders rust. In this life, gotta do what you must. Build your value up, gotta earn trust, avoid fuss. Maybe you don't know the facts, you don't know enough. You can judge me where you want, cause every day I send love.
When we playing Warzone again, I'm playing with random the whole. when is the new Game Pass come out? When is the new pass come out? I think we tried to find it, but bro, it's laggy. I kept on lagging, so I was like, 100%, 100%. I didn't even know you were here. Under the radar. No, go for it. Tomorrow is, I'm not sure, bro. I don't know. On Friday was 4 days. What's that? Today? Is today or tomorrow? No, I think it's tomorrow. I'll say tomorrow. Okay, that's that 30-minute closure there, hourly closure as well. Price is just sitting in this level. Where's that volume at? I know lag boss was still monolithic. Probably. Yes, you probably, eh? I even had to bring him aside because that dude's barking the whole time and all the garbage guys outside. Mr. Ed, what's happening, big bro? What's happening? Paw Patrol. What's another one that dogs was Bluey? Could possibly Bluey as well. Pass it out of here, man. Oh yes, even saw the G on the two. Yeah, no, we called. I think it was 49 pips, 2 trades on that stream, on that 24-hour stream. Well, from me, I called 2 trades, 49 pips. But in the total stream, I think with everybody there, I think they got a good amount of pips altogether, if I'm not mistaken. Price is starting to move here, boys. Can we get that close above? That is the question. What's the time now? Around 10? Pressing to liquid now. Let's see if we can get the closure, guys. 10:15. Let's see if we can get a closure between 10:15 and 10:30. Let's see if we can get a closure above the level. Obviously, just indecision candles for the past hour. Actually longer, eh? Yeah, like hour and a half. I'll be back. We're just run to the bathroom. Okay, Len, I saw your message. I'm gonna sort you out. Seems like we're just stuck here, man. Eventually you will obviously get your break. Price will obviously break out there. Just being patient for that. Along the moves, yeah, more liquidity, more volume. Yours, Chilly Billy. Now I'm feeling that cold proper. Okay, well, there you got your resistance formed in the 30, which is quite nice. See, the more data we get, the better. Because now I got resistance, which means if price starts trading above that, it's going to give us more confirmation. And also, if price starts breaking and trades beneath these lows, it's just continuing that lower low and lower high formation. Just gotta be patient. What I like is that the LTA on the left hand side as well to come and fill that whole LTA if you start getting beneath. How was your Saturday? What did I do Saturday? What did I do Saturday? I can't remember. Nah, Saturday was dope. Nah, I wasn't with Jason. I didn't actually see the guys this weekend. I don't know where they were. Yes, Uncle Robs, that's perfect. Yes, perfect. Perfecto. Now, Saturday I was with Paul. I don't know where the Owens were on Saturday. I know where Simeon was, but we won't we won't expose him. Simeon was cycling. So for this position to happen on the shorts, all I need is a closure below, a tap in, and price to start driving away from that quarter from there. So what did you eat biryani? Nice. I mean, I chakalaka on Saturday. Okay, there's that 15 close. In 5, gonna have to wait for the 30. Okay, if I don't get a setup by 10:30, I'm gonna call it for YouTube, but I'm gonna carry on with the MFX members in our private Zoom. Yo, when else did I actually have a bagel? Speaking about that, I think that's why I need to get off the gym. That's a good idea. Thanks for that, Simon. Where's Tasty Pot? What's that? Is it a franchise? Because I saw you mention that earlier as well. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't seen. I haven't seen it. Bioscope. What? Smiley. Do like a smiley. That's what you say. Ambula. Never had it before. Nah, I've never had that before, bro. Spelled incorrect. Incorrect. I wouldn't really like look at it in a monetary payout sense sort of vibe, honestly. That was my thing as well. Like when I really got deep in my trading, a lot of people would transition to NAS and USDT and say they can make more money there. If you want to make more money, just up your lot size. Trade a larger account. Be patient. I've traded both. Personally, I just prefer gold because it's more, how can I say, predictable. Like USDT is, I think USDT and NAS is more of like a You can make more money if you hold it longer. But that's not the way I trade though. You see, I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader. So even though I can trade NAS and US30 fine, I mean, we've got members that do that in the group. There's one dude speaking there perfectly. He's a veteran in NASDAQ. He trades that with my strategy that I've taught him how to use. Just for me personally, I just prefer gold. I don't think it should be looked at in a sense of which one pays more, but more so, which one do you prefer to trade? Yeah, that's actually a plan. While we wait, boys, let's do that Wordle. While we wait for the next 10 minutes, if I don't get a trade by 10:30, I'm going to call it for YouTube, but I'm going to continue with the MFX members in Zoom. So obviously you can see that MFX members do get all the benefits. Let's do the Wordle. Seeing that we got some great English speaking happening in that chat. What's the first word of the day? Learn. Is that 5? First word of the day, learn. So this 5-letter word includes an A and an E. What can it be? Do you know how much letters is English? English. Word involves an A and an E. What can it be? A and E. What can it be? What can it be? Eaten. E-A-T-E. Can't be eaten. But let's just do it to get words out. So the A and the E is in the right place. There is a T in the word. That's cool to see. What can this be? Tablet. No. No. There's no L. Spear. Can't be. Because the A and the E is already in the right place, my brother. Yo, look here. Table. Table. Yo. Can't be table. Tabel. Tabang. Tafel. Yo, don't get started with Tafels. That's Simeon's other favorite. What are we doing here, boys? What is this? What word is this? Do we need to get the hints? Because the nice thing is now is we can. Tamed. Jordan? Look at Jordan, he might get this. Almost. So there's a D in here. A and E in the right place, D and T in the word, but in the wrong place. Damn it. What word are we for here? Death. Can't be death. Can't be that. Famed. Can't be famed. Vince? Just because. Can't be famed, can't be tamed. Cadet? Ooh. Cadet. I think this is one. Fiori. I don't know. Let's call you Skater. I think it's gonna be that one. Cadet, let's see. Skater with the win. Well done, my good sir. Well done. Skater with the win. Today's word is cadet. Cadet. Opal Cadet. Opal Cadet is your one today. Tony Hawk Pro Skater with the dub. Gino Tamayo, welcome to MFX. Just saw your sign up right now. Welcome to the winning team, my brother. Follow that welcome message. It'll tell you exactly what to do. Once you're in the MFX chat group, you can see the pinned message. Will take you to the videos. And then send me a message. Let's get you with that one-on-one, bro. Let's go. Welcome to MFX, brother. Let's level you up, my man. Where in America are you? Don't tell me, like, what state? Where are you? California? Wait, Jesus, wait, which side you from? You say opposite? Virginia? Opposite? But are you guys the same time though? What time is it where you are? Really? So he's 1 AM and you are? 4 o'clock. 4 AM. Cool. How much Pops has earned? Charles Jordan, please answer travel, legacy, and transportation there. I'm almost hungry, Vince. MFX famous. Once Gino gets in that Telegram group, just give him a nice warm welcome there. So Gino, you'll see in the welcome message there's going to be 2 links. Click both those links, will put you in both Telegram groups. Not yet, Vince. He's not in yet. Not yet. Not yet. He's not in Telegram yet. Yeah, man. Table. A minute left to see for the closure. Prices are stalling. I see tweak over there. There he is, Vince. Now you can give him the welcome. Now you can give Gino the. Hey Zeus, hey, what did this guy teach you, man? What did the Why did the South Africans teach you? Welcome, Gino. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Wow. Okay, YouTube, that is that 30 close for me. There is still no setup happening. Well, there's a setup, but there's no trade as of yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call it a stream on YouTube. I'm gonna do the rest of London just for the MFX members in the group, as you are waiting for position. So YouTube, I just want to thank you for joining me today. I hope that you've learned something today, even though that obviously I didn't take a trade with you. As long as you obviously see my mindset, I'll break down the charts, etc. I'll be back on YouTube tomorrow morning, same time, same place, 8:30 GMT +2. Hey bro, is your mentorship $59 per month or once off? Per month, brother. So once you join, literally guys, you can pull up for a month. If you don't like it, you can leave. But I'm quite sure you're not gonna wanna, because you'll be guided on how to trade the way we do. Appreciate you too, my man. Thanks for pulling up. Suleiman, wait for me. I'm signing in. Hello. You know I'm laughing because my friends say that same thing when trying to get my attention. They start shouting. Okay, but anyways, boys, on YouTube, Suleiman, I'll see you in the group if you're joining. As you join, the Zoom links will be there. Sign up. Thank you for the free knowledge, Miles. Thank you for just coming to the stream. I appreciate you, my man. Appreciate you. Have a lovely day, guys. YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. MFX members, that's in Zoom. That's in YouTube. Come to Zoom. We're gonna carry on trading in Zoom. Come. But yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you. See you tomorrow. God bless. Cheers.